Picsman, AI photo editor, has just been released, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you decide to try it out. Whether you're a professional photographer, a content creator, or just someone looking for an easy way to enhance your photos, this could be the tool you've been waiting for. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how you can try Picsman for free from the link below. First off, let's talk about what makes Picsman stand out. Unlike traditional photo editors that require hours of manual adjustments, Picsman uses cutting-edge AI to instantly enhance your images. Whether you're touching up portraits, adjusting landscapes, or creating eye-catching social media posts, the AI automatically detects key elements like lighting, texture, and color balance to bring your photos to life. Now let's get into the real deal about this AI software. The software's AI doesn't just adjust basic settings like exposure and contrast. It goes deeper, analyzing the content of your image. For example, if you're working with a portrait, Picsman knows to smooth skin, adjust eye brightness, and even correct for the background distractions, giving you a professional quality result in just a few clicks. You don't have to be an expert to use this software. Another game-changing feature is Picsman's smart cropping tool. It doesn't just crop your image, it suggests ideal crop ratios based on the composition of your photo. If you're posting to Instagram or creating a banner for your website, this AI knows the best way to frame your image for maximum impact. It's perfect for anyone who doesn't have a trained eye for composition, but still wants their photos to look professional. Speaking of social media, Picsman has integrated templates optimized for popular platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and even LinkedIn. This means that not only will your photos look amazing, but they'll also be formatted perfectly for whatever platform you're posting on. No more struggling with dimensions or worrying about how your images will look on a mobile screen. Let's talk about the speed of Picsman. The AI does all of the heavy lifting, and the result is almost instant. It's built to be intuitive, so whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, you won't feel overwhelmed by complicated features. And if you're working with multiple images, you can batch edit your photos, saving you tons of time when working on large projects. For those of you concerned about learning curves, the user interface of Picsman is incredibly straightforward. It's designed for efficiency, so you can focus on your creativity instead of fumbling through confusing menus. With just a few clicks, you'll be able to enhance and adjust your images the way you want. The drag and drop functionality is smooth and simple, which makes for a great overall experience. Now, if you're someone who values privacy, Picsman takes that seriously. The software allows you to store your images securely in the cloud or on your device, giving you full control over where your photos are kept. You also have the option to download your final images in various high-resolution formats, making it versatile for both online and print purposes. Finally, one of the most impressive aspects of Picsman is the ongoing updates. As AI technology evolves, Picsman evolves with it. You're not just getting a one-time product, you're getting access to continuous improvements, ensuring that your editing capabilities stay up to date with the latest trends. Remember, you can try Picsman for completely free from the first link below. I've personally tested hundreds of AI tools, and after trying Picsman, it's definitely one of my top recommendations. If you're looking for a reliable AI photo editor that's easy to use, saves time, and delivers professional results, I suggest giving it a shot. In the description, I've also included other AI software that I recommend, all of which you can try for free. After testing thousands of tools, these are the ones that truly stand out in terms of functionality and ease of use. Happy editing. Happy.